In this video, I'll be reviewing and walking you through how to use XM Broker as a beginner to trade the forex market. There's a lot of fake XM websites, so guys, be careful so you don't use the wrong XM broker and end up losing your money. So I would recommend you click the first link in the description of this video to access the correct and the legit XM trading broker. Alright guys, so if you sign up to this broker using my link, you'll be given access to my VIP course, my VIP signals group, and my private community where you get to trade and chat with all other traders in the community. And also you'll be given access to my premium trading indicators. So all you have to do is DM me on Instagram with proof of sign up using my affiliate link, and you'll be given access into all these offers I mentioned right now. So choosing the right broker is one of the most important steps to becoming a profitable trader. It can literally make or break your trading career. So if you're a swing trader, a position size trader, or a day trader, you should learn to choose your trading broker according to your trading style. So if you are a day trader, a swing trader, and a position size trader, I would recommend you use XM. It is the best because it has a very tight spread and it's one of the most legitimate brokers I've seen, honestly. Alright, so once you click on the link in the first link in the description, all you have to do is come to this point and click on open an account. So you click on open an account, then it will take you to this page. Then you can click on we respect your privacy, so you can decide to accept cookies or modify your preference, but for now let's accept all cookies. Choose a country. You can come down here, select your country. Mine is Nigeria. Your email address, I am TobeRich@gmail.com. Then choose the password. Let me use the password for this one. And you click on I agree to receiving newsletter, company news, and product updates. That's literally it. So click on register. So once you click on register, it will show you this. So an email has been sent to your email address. So click on that email and verify it. So email is verified, and as you can see, it's loading up. So let's wait for it to get loaded up completely. So now your account has been successfully verified. So now we are on the dashboard, and as you can see, they automatically created an MT5 account for you for free, like a real MT5 account. What I like to usually suggest is verify your account immediately after you sign up. The reason why is because once you want to fund your account, if you want to deposit and withdraw, you can't do that if you don't verify your account. So the best thing to do is immediately after signing up, verify your account. So I'll be walking you through how to do it. Click on the verify now button and let's go to the next page. You have to add in your first name, your last name. The middle name is optional if you want to, your phone number, and your date of birth. So you can add in anything. Let's say, let me add in 1998 September. Let's use it September 9. All right, so you can use anything. Make sure the details you're putting in here matches the details on your ID card, your national ID, your driving license, whatever form of identification. Whatever details you put in here must match it exactly. So my country of residence is Nigeria, my address, and all those good stuff, your postal code, your street number. Then you click on add financial details. Have you had any forex education or traded at least 15 times in derivative products? So it doesn't matter what you put here. You can put in yes, you can put in no. This is for if you want to create an investor profile. So you can put in yes, I know how to trade. So put in yes, click on continue, then wait for it to load up, and right here is where you need to put in your document verification. You can put in your national ID like I mentioned, you can put in your passport, you can put in your driver's license, but I usually like to use my international passport, but it's up to you to use whatever means of ID verification you like and would want to use. So down here is where you have to do the verification. Click on it and select the image you want to use, your passport, your national ID, whatever. So that's mine, and let's go down. Because this is a demo example, I'm not going to be using my exact IDs because I've already verified my account. This is just me showing you guys how to do it in case you guys want to do it. So verify your residency. You can use your electricity bill, gas bill, water bill, phone bill, internet bill, cable TV bill, your bank statement. So I love to use my bank statement, and mind you, it must be 6 months or less old, right? Anything above 6 months, they wouldn't want that. They would not accept it. So I would recommend you use 6 months and below. That is what your bank statement should hold. Like, it should be a bank statement that is 6 months old maximum. So click on that, click on this box, and select your bank statement and upload that. So click on it, then click on upload your documents. Wait for it to load up. So you've successfully uploaded your documents. You'll receive a confirmation email shortly. So at the moment, you will not be allowed to deposit until your account has been verified. So just wait for the email to confirm your verification. But for now, let's go back to the member area. So click on it, and let me show you guys how to sign into MT4 or MT5 using these details. So as you can see, like I said, they already created an MT5 account for you, a real MT5 account. So what I would suggest you do is click on those three dots, because I'll be showing you guys how to log in this MT5 details using the MT5 mobile app. So click on those three dots down there and click on the account information. So this is where you'll be seeing every details concerning this particular MT5 account. So click on it, and as you can see, this is your server ID, your MT5 ID. So these are the most important things you'll be needing. So these are the most important information you'll be needing. So let's go to our MT5. As you can see, this is my MT5 on my mobile phone. So open that up and click on the top, click on the plus icon, then search for the name of your broker, which is XM. Search for XM, and let's wait for it to load up. As you can see, this is XM Global. Click on it. Then now this server is where you put in that server I showed you guys. So the server we'll be using is server XM Global MT510. So that's the server we'll be using, XM Global MT510. So let's click on it down there. I think it's 10 or 11. I think I missed that. So once you put in your MT5 ID, put in your password, the password you use in registering your account. So once it's done loading up, you see this 0.00. If it's not loaded correctly, it's going to show just 0. But if it's loaded correctly, you will see 0.00. So as you can see, we are fully logged in and we can start trading. All right. But you can't start trading until your account is verified. So just wait. Your account is going to be verified in less than 24 hours. Alright guys, so if you sign up to this broker using my link, you'll be given access to my VIP course, my VIP signals group, and my private community where you get to trade and chat with all other traders in the community. And also you'll be given access to my premium trading indicators. So all you have to do is DM me on Instagram with proof of sign up, and you'll be given access into all these offers I mentioned right now.